Hey, what's up, everyone? Derek here. And today I want to talk about System.io's affiliate account. All right. So I recently came across this software that I'm learning about more and more every single day. And it's just an absolutely incredible piece of software that it's basically an all in one funnel building software. You can, build landing pages, squeeze pages. Um, it's got a built-in email autoresponder that you can use. You can put courses on here. You can build a blog. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. So I'm super excited, and turns out they have a fantastic affiliate program. So I wanted to share it with you guys real quick. So anyway, what you're looking at here is their affiliate program, and you can see right on top it says over $5 million paid in commissions to their affiliates. So they're not messing around. They pay out lots of money every single month to their affiliates. All right. So anybody can join their affiliate program. And down here on the lower right, you can see anyone can be an affiliate, and you don't even need to be a System.io customer in order to promote their product. So, which is super cool. So I'm knowing I'm doing this a little backwards here, but let me talk about this one real quick. They have a strong affiliate tracking system. All right, so this is hard coded to emails. All right, so they obviously have tracking cookies, and when you bring with your affiliate link, when you bring new leads to their affiliate or to their website, then that email address is hard coded to your account, and I believe it'll stay with your account even if the customer doesn't really use their account. I think it's up to 6 months, maybe a year. But then after that, if they become a paying customer, then you get, look over here, lifetime commissions. Where are we here? Lifetime commissions every time your affiliate link is used to purchase a System.io subscription or course. So in addition, if somebody when they upgrade from the free plan to the paid plan, or to any of their paid plans, you're going to get 60% lifetime commissions for the subscription. And if they choose to upgrade to a course that is offered by System.io, they have built-in courses, and you're going to get 60% of that as well. So super, super awesome stuff here, guys. And down here it says there are no conditions to join their affiliate program. So let's go ahead and jump into my dashboard, and I'll show you. All right, so here we are. We're logged in to my affiliate dashboard in my account, and you can see my earnings. Unfortunately, I haven't made anything, but I just found out about this program, and I'm super excited to share it with you guys. So on the right-hand side, you can see today's earnings. It'll show you the last 7 days earnings, last 30 days earnings, and how much you've been paid, how much you've been pending, or how much is pending. Now, if somebody signs up for their paid program, I believe there's a 30-day grace period, like a refund policy. So I think that's what pending means. You're not going to, obviously, it's going to sit there in pending until the refund policy is over, and then they'll go ahead and, I believe they're going to go ahead and pay you via PayPal. So then you can collect your earnings that way. Okay. So now over on the right, let me bring your attention down to, we talked about the 60% lifetime commissions, which is awesome. But then here's your affiliate link. All right. So you can copy that, and you literally can take this link. And if you're doing email marketing, you can put that link in your email for people who do not have an email autoresponder yet, or somebody who's looking for a funnel builder. You can put this link in the email, or you could put it, on social media. You could, if you have a blog, you could put it on a blog. So this is, you automatically get this even on the free plan, which is super cool. You don't have to have another account to promote System.io. You can, as soon as you have your free plan, you're going to have an affiliate dashboard, and you can go ahead and grab your affiliate links, and you can start promoting, which is super cool. So this right here is actually going to be your affiliate link. All right, so let me just hover my mouse right over here. Affiliate tracking works on every page built with System.io. To build your affiliate link, just add the question mark SA equals your affiliate ID to the page URL. For example, HTTPS System.io and then your affiliate link. So any page to System.io, you just add this link right here. It's copied to my clipboard. You just add that, and voila, it's going to track anybody who clicks on that link, and you'll get credit for any sale that's made. That's got to be the coolest thing. So I'm really excited about it. I just wanted to share it with you guys. So as you can see down here, I got 2 leads so far, and I believe, and again, I'm just learning because I just signed up with System not that long ago, but I believe how it works is that they show you 2 different dates here, and I think the date is when they initially signed up for their free account, and I think this might be for their paid account. So you can see I got 2 leads, and maybe they're in pending, maybe they're not. I'm not exactly sure. I'm gonna have to do some digging on that to find out what's going on. But their tracking system is incredibly strong, and as you continue to do your email marketing or social media marketing or blog, whatever it is, and you use your affiliate link, and people click on it and they start to sign up for a paid plan, you're going to start seeing commissions in this area. So again, to get to this area, you'll just click on dashboard, and then, or you hover your mouse over dashboard and then click on affiliate dashboard, and here you are. So I was super excited about it. I just want to show you guys. I really do appreciate you watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to help out. Okay. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys later.